Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on Temu. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Temu app and you will click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we click on Play Store. You'll find Temu, you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.